tell the world, yeah, the herb is real. Hey, hey. Why are they fighting the herbs when it is real? Hey, hey. Why are they fighting the herb? It's real. It is real. It is real. Bring the herbs up for me. I need it badly. It makes me feel like so irie. It's clear to see it grows naturally. Get it for me. The I could herb for me. It makes me feel like so irie. It's glad to see it grows naturally. I've been using it since 16 years old, and it never ever knocked me down cold. I never heard it hurt the soul. When I smoke it, I'm in full control. Why some people try to give it such a bad name? Out loud, I cry for shame. Oh, na 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 na. Bring the herbs up for me. I need it badly. It makes me feel like so irie. It's clear to see it grows naturally. Get it for me. The I could herb for me. It makes me feel like so irie. It's glad to see it grows naturally. That tree was found in the garden of King Solomon. You should know he was the wisest man. Gain a lot of wisdom so I get to understand. Sensibility, I wasn't sent to hurt no one. Most of the leaders in this world, they got a plan. I don't care if they wanna legalize it. I'm forever like my chalice. Long as I'm in my own environment, no longer I can't give me no argument. For me, I need it badly. It makes me feel like so irie. It's clear to see it grows naturally. Get it for me. The I could herb for me.